kachika, nakakatuwa ang ibinahagi ni Aiko Melendez sa kanyang social media account na kahapon nga December 16, 2025 ay sineselebrate nga niya ang kanyang ika-50th birthday. Kanyang ang caption ay, "Celebrating my 50th birthday in the simplest yet most meaningful way, surrounded by the people who truly matters to me. No grand plans, just love, laughter, and genuine moments with family, closest friends, and the people who have been part of my journey. Thank you for showing up, for the hugs, for the prayers, the kind words, and for making this milestone feel so full and complete. At 50, I've learned that what truly matters is not how big the celebration is, but who you celebrate it with. My heart is full, my spirit is grateful, and my soul is at peace. Thank you for being part of my life and my story and the golden chapter. And to our wonderful band, thank you Sis Roxy Mendoza Embido, and to all those who came, salamat." At ang ilan nga sa mga showbiz personalities na umattend na kanyang birthday ay sila Paps Fernandez, Carla Estrada, Carmina Villarruel, Candy Pangilinan, Mayor Joy Belmonte, at syempre hindi naman mawawala ang kanyang dalawang anak na sila Andre at Martina. Halika at panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga video clips ganap na kanyang ibinahagi.
Sis Dora, I'm from my beautiful cake. And because of that, sis, you're gonna sing this one because you promised.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!